Hi, hope you had a great holiday. I can absolutely help you, sir. So in this question, we know the slope is -5/7, right? And we also know that we have a point at 4 and -8. So quite rightly as you did, you set up the, not the slope intercept, but the point slope. So remember that's y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1, which you did. Get a different color here, so that's going to be y plus 8, right? Watch the double negative on that, and you got that. Our slope is -5/7 times x minus 4. Okay, and you got to that point right there in orange. That was all good there. So now what's happening is we are dealing with fractions, of course. So the first thing we're going to do is we have to do order of operations. I have to distribute or multiply before I can add or subtract. So I'm going to multiply -5/7 by x. So I'm just going to rewrite the left side. -5/7 times x is -5/7 x. Now I'm going to distribute the second term. I have two negatives, so that's going to be a positive. Remember when we multiply fractions, I can just multiply the numerators and put it over 7. So -5 times -4 is +20/7. So now we're good to go. Now I'm going to get y by itself. So I'll subtract 8 from both sides. And here's kind of the fraction-y part. Here's where it came in right here. So these are the like terms. 20/7 minus 8/1, right? And let me just scroll down and make some room here. So this is going to be y equals -5/7 x. Now the big deal here, I have plus 20/7. But remember, we need to make equivalent fractions here. I have to have a common denominator. So 7 and 1, well, the common denominator there is 7, of course, right? So if I multiply this 1 by 7 to get 7, if I multiply this 8 by 7, I'm going to get my equivalent numerator. So 7 times 8 is 56. Of course, this is a negative, right, because I'm subtracting it. And now I can combine those like terms. So y equals -5/7x. Combining the numerators here, 20 minus 56 is going to give me -36/7. So remember, when we add or subtract fractions, we don't mess with the denominators, so that stays the same. I'm just combining the numerators. That's in lowest terms already, but always take a minute and just, you know what I mean, multiply that or reduce that if you need to. But that's going to be it right there, buddy. So -5/7x minus 36/7. So I suspect that's where you're going wrong, right there with those fractions. Give that a shot. If it doesn't help, let me know. Thanks.